we're gonna jump in it now, go to the next spot, do a quick review, and yeah, man. Hope you enjoy it, man. Yeah? Nice one.
I'll read it.
Yeah. Time to review the Range Rover SVR, have a quick look at it, and I think we'll start with the outside bodywork, to be fair. Carbon fibre wing mirrors, as you can see. Carbon fibre air mount above the engine. Let's have a look, come around. Obviously you've got the SVR badge there. So this is the 5 litre V8 supercharged Range Rover Sport SVR. It's got about 550 brake horsepower, it's got about 6,000 RPM and about 502 foot-pounds of torque. So a lot of power there in that V8, a nice roar, a nice thunder. And I'll demonstrate to you also in a minute, it has the, is that the exhaust on and off button?
Yeah,
so you can, the flat, so you can let the flat open, quiet mode or let it rip mode so the neighbours can hear you sort of thing. So we'll demonstrate that in a sec. So going all around, Brembo brake discs. Is that upgraded or does that come stock on the SVRs?
I think it might be stock.
It might be stock because they obviously need a lot of stopping power for a V8, don't you? Which is probably about, I'm not sure, but I think it's about 2.5 tons or something like that. So yeah, it's a heavy piece of material, heavy piece of machine, big boy toy. Do you know what I'm saying? What's that carbon strip on the back there as well on the bonnet? As you can see, further carbon there, and obviously twin pipes at the back, like my R, but a bit more justified, you know what I mean? This definitely needs twin pipes, you know what I mean? So, yeah, man. What's that? That's not. Oh, yeah, no, not a carbon diffuser, standard diffuser there as well. But yeah, man, nice looking motor. Let's open it up and have a quick look inside.
No problem.
That's the key there, and as you can see, you've got open there, lock there, boot there, and what's that for the?
It's for your lights.
Oh, for the lights there, yeah, and that's like a hazard light.
That's it, yeah. Set it off.
So a nice one. Let's open that. Let's have a quick look inside, come. So like I was saying, TV, heated leather seats, cooling seats. Obviously they're racing bucket seats, as you can see. I love the red leather interior with the sort of black stitching all along. Nice SVR badge along there. Do you know what I mean? It's looking really cozy and comfy now. Even this sort of upholstery here feels very luxury. You can tell it's not like a cheap piece of crap. Yeah, and talking about the roof, have a look at the roof, cameraman. Just like my Golf R, what is it, the panoramic sunroof is it called? Yeah. So that goes all the way back by holding that button there. Have a quick look, my bro. Press that button there to put it all the way back, and as you can see, that reveals the panoramic sunroof. And then after you put that back, you press this button on that side there, and then that will open the panoramic sunroof to let some sun and some air in, which is a nice feature. Yeah, when I get in to have a little rip round, I'll show you the different driving modes. Whereabouts are the consoles for the seats? Are they just on here?
They're on the side, yeah.
They're on the side, okay. Okay. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, large amounts of luxury. Open your door, bang, you've got an extra step there. These are the kind of things you want when you're spending 100 grand, do you know what I mean, on a motor? So, yeah man, I like that little feature. Let's show you the boot now. Oh wait, hold on, no, that's not. Unlock the boot, look at that, fancy business, electrical, open up for you, not like my Golf R, I've got to bloody put my hand in, do you know what I mean? So yeah man, it's an SUV, so you'd expect it to have a bit of space, it's not a mini, do you know what I mean? As you look around, a couple of bags there, you can see they fit in nicely, there's not really a struggle, and yeah, you could fit a lot of shopping there with the missus, or a few bits for camping, or, do you know what I mean? A couple of suitcases, I'm sure that could fit in, no problem. And then what you've got is the sort of cubby at the top, do you know what I mean? Keep everything secure in. Nice little features, man. Very nice car. I like it a lot. And then yeah, the button again to shut it again, obviously. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen.
Perfect, man.
So yes, my bro.
Yes.
Your top 3 cars?
I'd go Koenigsegg, Lambo Veneno, and then I think this is coming into my top 3 now, to be fair.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's so good. What is it you like about the car? Does it give it that dominance?
It's just pure dominance, it's this authority.
On the road, isn't it?
When you're on the road, it's just like, yeah man, just get him away, you know?
Let me put my foot out just to see.
That's the thing.
Yes, I see what you're trying to say. As soon as them exhaust notes open.
You know the thing is as well, wait, you don't have to dominate with speed, it's like just people see you coming, it's so big. Everyone just gets out your way. Yeah,
exactly.
Everyone just gets
it
out
looks
your
like
way.
one of them cars you want to move out the way for. You want to let it go through, innit?
100%.
And you can tell it's not no standard Range Rover as well.
Nah, that's
if
it.
you know anything about cars anyway, do you know what I mean?
There you go.
So yeah man, in sports with the exhaust valves open, sounds really good, it feels really good. Touch a body roll on it, obviously it is roughly about 2.5 ton body weight, but that supercharged V8 does really give it the push and the pull that you want.
That's right.
And with these bucket seats, it feels really great, man. It feels like it's still got that sporty feel, even though it's such a big machine.
That's it,
do you get what I'm trying to say?
The bucket seats especially.
Yeah, exactly. Like keep you like nice and planted in there. So that's a really good feel. Really nice car. And you know, when you're spending 100 grand, you want to be getting something of this level of quality, but you can just feel the luxury. You can feel it all around you. I mean, do you know what I mean? You can tell it's not no standard SUV, no standard car. So yeah man, great stuff. Great stuff. Such a nice sound, that V8 roar, you know?
It rumbles, isn't it?
Yeah, it does, yeah.
But that's definitely one of the biggest additions to the exhaust button itself.
Okay.
I'd say, yeah, if anybody was interested in getting one of these, it's a must.
Yeah.
It's definitely a must.
So is that an optional extra then, the exhaust
extra, yeah.
Okay, so without it, then...
It still be normally loud as you've experienced without it, but...
Okay, but it doesn't have the option of open the valves.
Yeah,
when you
like
open the valves, ladies and gentlemen, this is what it sounds like. V8 Thunder roll, you see it? Come on. Yeah, man, it's surprisingly more poised on the road than I thought it would be. Yeah, because I know the Golf R is 4-wheel drive, so in my mind, for the driving experience, I'm comparing it to that. Do you know what I'm saying? And when I do brake, do you know what I mean, and whatever, it does feel like everything's under control. Really. Do you get what I'm trying to say? It gives you that confidence that you want as a driver. Yeah, you can put your foot down and still feel comfortable. For example, like this. Jeez, you hear that gear change there? Beautiful. Another little slap in the corner there. Cheese! Cheese! That's it. That's it. That's it. Really nice car. Slow down for the corner now. Back in there neatly. Nicely does it.
That's it. Enjoy it?
Yeah, man, that was beautiful, man. That was a nice drive, man. Quick review, good review, and a good car to review for my first car, to be honest. Do you know what I mean? Don't want to review a Peugeot 106. No offense to French cars or anything, but I like high performance sports stuff. Do you know what I mean? So
There we go.
yeah, man, nice one, bro. Thanks a lot.
As always,
Cheers.
love King Speeds.
So back over there into park.
Yeah. No, just press P.
Oh, just press P,
Yeah.
and then there we go. Handbrake up.
Handbrake.
And
We're
then that's
done.
it, yeah. Lovely.
Lovely.
Yeah. Ah.
Do we stop this room?
Yeah.